Hi, good morning children. This is your Lata ma'am. Welcome to our Nirbhaya Digital Learning class. Hi, hello, how are you kids? I hope you are all are safe. Yes, before going to the topic, I want to say you some of exercise. Be ready students. Everyone sit in your place. Sit, stand, sit, stand, sit, stand, jump, stop. Jump, stop. Jump, stop. Hands up, put your hands down. 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 Sit, stand. Sit, stand. Sit, stand. Sit, stand. Sit, stand. Sit, stand. Jump, stop. Jump, stop. Jump, stop. Okay children? Everyone sit in a place. Numbers by one digit number. Multiply two digit numbers by one digit numbers. See, (33) into 2. Okay, what you have to do first? First multiply ones place. Yes, ones place, tens place you should do. See, place ali chat you know na? Ones place, tens place. 33 into 2. Yes, see, 2 into 3. 2 3s are how much? 6. Ones place must first you should multiply. Understood? 2 into 3 6. Again 2 into 3 6. Tens place also. See, first you should multiply this 2. After that this 2 you should multiply. Yes, 2 into 3 6. 2 into 3 6. What is that answer? 66 is the answer. Understood? What you did? First ones place you multiplied and next tens place you multiplied. Yes, again. See, one more sum. 72 into 6. Okay. Ones place, tens place. 72 into 6. Now ones place you should multiply. Which number is here near ones place? 2. Here 6. In the 6 you should multiply 2. 6 2s are 12. 2 here, 1 carry forward. S again tens place. Which number is here? 7. 7 into 6. 7 into 6. Otherwise 6 into 7. How much? 6 into 7. 42. 42 plus 1. 43. What is that answer? (432) is the answer. Yes, 432 is the answer. Understood, children? 6 sevens are 42 plus this one as what is that answer? 43 is the answer. Understood? Copy in the classwork. Few more sums I will give you, children. See, again what you have to do, should draw the place value chart. Ones, tens, 45 into 2 as 2 5s are 10, 0 here, 1 carry forward as 2 8s are 2 5s are 10, 2 4s are 8, 8 plus 1 9. See, 2 into 4 8, 8 plus 1 9. What is that answer? 90 is the answer. Understood? Four into 84 into 4. 84 into 4. Ones, tens, hundreds. 84 into 4. 4 fours are 16. Yes, 16 like that only you should write? No. 6 here, 1 carry forward. 4 8s are 32. 32 plus 1. What is that answer? 33. Yes, see, 336 is the answer. See, 4 8s are 32. 32 plus 1, 33. 336 is the answer. 84 into 4 is equal to 336. Understood? Write in the classwork. Children, open your workbook now. Chapter number 6, multiplication. Concept 6.1 number. See, recall. Multiple choice questions. 4 plus 4 plus 4 is equal to. See, first one. 4 plus 4 plus 4 is equal to. How many times we are adding? 3 times. Yes. 4 plus 4, 8. 8 plus 4, 12. What is that answer? C is the answer. Yes. Next. 5 plus 5 plus 5 plus 5 plus 5. How many times? 5 times. Yes. 5 plus 5, 10. 10 plus 5, 15. 15 plus 5, 20. 20 plus 5, 25. Where it is 25? Option D. Yes. Third one. 6 plus 6 plus 6 plus 6 plus 6 plus 6. How many times? 6 times. Yes. 6 6 are 36. 6 plus 6, 12. 12 plus 6, 18. 18 plus 6, 24. 24 plus 6, 30. 30 plus 6, 36. Yes or no? Option A. Next, remembering and understanding. Multiple choice questions. 5 into 6. 5 6 are 25 or 24 or 30 or 28 are 5 6 are 30. C, option C is the answer. Next, any number multiplied by dash is the number itself. What is that? 1. See, if 1 into 8, 8 only. 1 into 9, 9 only. 1 into 20, 20 only. 1 into 40, 40. Number itself only. Any number if you multiply in the 1, same number will come. Yes? What is that? D1. Next, sixth one. Which symbol is used for multiplication? Which symbol? Minus symbol, plus symbol, into symbol or division symbol. Which symbol you will use? Into symbol. Yes. Where it is into symbol? B. Option B. Okay. Next, fill in the blanks. 7 into 8. 7 into 8 is equal to, what is that product will come? 7 into 8. 7 8s are 56. As the number written on the right side of the equal sign is called the product. Already I told you. Multiplicand into multiplier is equal to product. Yes. Dash is the repeated addition. What is that repeated addition? Multiplication is the repeated addition. Multiplication is the repeated addition. Next, very short answer questions. See, 10th one. 8 into 3. Is 8 into 3 the same as 3 into 6? 8 into 3 the same of 3 into 6? No. Because 8 into 3. What is that answer? Tell me. 3 8s are 24. As here 3 6s are how much? Tell me. 18. Both are same? No, it is not same. Understood? No, you should write. 10th one? No. 11th one. Multiply 9 and 3. 9 3s are 27. As 12th one. 9 into 9. 9 9s are 81. Yes or no, children? Copy in the workbook. Children, 13th one. Short answer questions. Find the product of 16 and 5. See, 13th one. What you have to do? You should find the product. As ones place, tens place. What is that? 16 into 5. As 5 6 are 30. Like that only we should write? No. This 0 here. Ones place 0 here. This 3 should carry forward. As Now 5 ones are 5. 5 plus 3. 5 plus 3. 8. What is that answer? 80 is the answer. Now 14th one. 24 into 6. Ones place, tens place. 24 into 6. Yes. Now 6 fours are 24. 24 means like that only should write. No, 4 here to carry forward. 6 twos are 6 into 2, 12. 12 plus 2, 14. 1, 4, 14. Tens place. Hundreds place. Yes. What is that answer? 144 is the answer. Understood, children? Next. 15th one. Long answer question. Write the multiplication tables of 7 and 8. 7 and 8 tables you should write. Okay? That is your homework. 15th one, your homework. Okay? 16th one. What is the answer? Find the following products. Again, what you have to do? You should find the products. What they are given? 25 into 7. Yes? Should draw the chart. Place value chart you should draw. Yes or no? Always you should draw place value chart. Ones, tens, hundreds. 25 into 7. 7 fives are 35. 35 like that only you should write. No, this 5 here. This 3 carry forward. 7 twos are 14. 14 plus 3. 14 plus 3. 14 after. 15, 16, 17. How many? 17. What is that answer? 175 is the answer. Understood? Next. This is A1. B1. What is that question? 19 into 8. Yes. Ones, tens, hundreds. See, 19 into 8. 8 nines are 8 nines are 72. As 2 here, 7 carry forward. 8 ones are 8. 8 plus 7. 8 in a mind, take 7 fingers. 8 after 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. As 15. What is that answer? 152 is the answer. Understood? 2 more sums is there. I will do. First copy this. Children, C1. 23 into 6. 16th one C1. What is it? 23 into 6. Again, you should draw the place value chart. S. Ones, tens, hundreds. See, 23 into 6. 6 threes are 18. 8 here, 1 carry forward. 6 twos are 12. 12 plus 1, 13. What is that answer? 138 is the answer. D1. What is that question? 12 into 9. Ones, tens, hundreds. 12 into 9. 9 twos are 18. 8 here, 1 carry forward. 9 ones are 9. 9 plus 1, 10. 108 is the answer. Okay. You should copy in the workbook, ma. Should write in the workbook.